Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make fish pulimunchi, and these are the ingredients for the recipe. I've taken Bangda or mackerel fish here. You could use any fish. Now let me start with the main ingredient, that is the dry chilies. I've taken an assortment of chili. This is round chili, which you can call Ramnad, Mundu, Boriya, and this is a more local type of chili which if you find it in the store you can pick it up. And I've taken some Kashmiri red chili. Now if you do not have these assortment of dried red chili, you could use any red chili. Just make sure how spicy they are and accordingly add it. Then I've taken a small size of onion here, some green chili, curry leaf, garlic, ginger, and a big marble size of tamarind, some coconut and turmeric powder. For the spices, I have taken Methi seeds, Coriander seeds and Cumin seeds, and I am using some coconut oil and salt for taste. Quantities are mentioned in the description box. Now for cooking this recipe, there are two processes. One is the first part is you need to roast the ingredients which you're going to grind and then make a fine paste of it, and few of the ingredients you have to fry it in oil. So let me take you through the process. Thanks for watching guys. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.